Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get new users on Temu. So make sure it's available on your device. Tap on the U icon on the bottom and then let's tap on the settings. And here what we want to do is to change, no, or sign in first and then change your country and region to USA. And then once you're done with that, then you can try to check your earn credits and free gifts. If you can claim, then you may just tap the orange button for you to claim your gifts or rewards. And in order for us to invite or ask others to join Timo, then just do this process. Once you're done with all of these things, then you can now go to add or add someone. All right, so for example, this one, invite friends to get free tickets or free rewards. You may do that. Just tap on it and you may share it to any other social media that you have by copying the link or just directly sending this invitation to any of your social media platforms. So basically, that's the process. If you find this informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.